It's just pouring out now. Got my bike all geared up, and right when I got it geared up, the rain started coming down. This picnic table sucks. Sucks nuts. I'm in the outhouse right now. It's drier than under the picnic table. I wouldn't say it's any better. It's slightly better maybe, but it smells a little bit. I got the door open. I got a spot to sit at least. And I can kind of dry out my gear. I got my gear hanging from the door. And hopefully this rain lets up, because I don't want to be in here any longer than anybody else would be. But if I gotta take a dump, I'm ready to go basically. Toilet paper's a little wet, but what can you do? Just wait it out.